Click Customers. Type in the customer's name, then click Search. Click Select Customer on the customer you wish to manage. Once you are on the customer's account, click on Services. Then press Edit Service Details. Then click Configure Server. You now have access to the customer's VoIP server. Once you are on the customer's server, click on the user extension that you created previously. Once you are on the user extension page, scroll down to the bottom and this is where you will find a section titled User Devices. The user device you are after is the one titled Mobile. Next to this will be the SIP username and password. You will need these credentials later on, so make a note of them now. Next, you need to go back to the main dashboard of the portal. Once you are in the main dashboard, scroll down to the box called People. Once you are in this page, click on the button that says More Options, then click New Person. You will now need to fill in the boxes first name, last name, and email address. Once you have done this, you will see a box on the right-hand side of the page that says None. Change this and select Main. Then enter the extension number that you wish to link to the mobile app. Once you have done this, click on the button that says Portal Access and enter a password of your choice. Then press Save. Once you have saved this person, you will need to go to the App Store and search for VIPVoIP Companion, and then download the app. Once you have downloaded the app, you will need to enter the email address and password that you created previously in order for you to sign in. Once you have signed in, you will now be able to make and receive calls using the mobile app.